11th episode of What's New Atrangi. We got late today. There was a lot of crowd at the store and there was a lot of noise happening, which is why we could not go live earlier. But here I am getting you the best pieces in invisible setting today. Invisible setting has been selling a lot for us. So basically what it is, it's stones, diamonds basically in colored stones fused together so much so that you cannot make out the difference between the way it's set together. You can't see the difference or the lining between them. It is a really rich work, selling very well in real jewelry, and we're the first ones to bring it to you in artificial, that too in a shaded concept. I'm gonna bring a few pieces here in front of you right now itself. It's gonna be a super short live, guys, so don't miss this live. It's got really stunning pieces here. If you see this piece, can I get some more light? If you see this piece here, it's got green, purple hues of diamonds as well. It comes with a clasp at the back. It looks stunning. We have plain shaded colors in this as well. There is a purple, there is a pink, then there is a blue as well. And it looks stunning. Very simple and very pretty design. And we have this color in it as well. It's a yellow and a pink hue. This one is for 2950 for this live. The price otherwise is 3850. It's a super pretty piece. Meanwhile, these are our clover earrings in the invisible setting. It's actually called mystery setting. If you Google it, you'll find it. In real jewelry, it's used quite a bit. And it's a really pretty piece as well. And this one which you saw over here was for 2150. This one here is for 2650. It's a floral overlay with the invisible setting at the bottom. A few more pieces in this concept is this piece right here. It looks super stunning. It sits very well. Comes with omega at the back. And this one is for 3950. It's in pink. We have a great blue, we have a stunning green, and my personal favorite are the hued versions of it, which is this one, and we have a pink and yellow color in this as well. Moving forward, I have these ones. This design is one of our bestseller designs. Offline itself, we've sold quite a few in the last 3 days since we've got it. This is yellow and pink, and my favorite is this. It's very dreamy, the whole color combination. It looks super attractive, very shiny and very pretty. And we have a purple as well in this stud. I have a black which is rare, and the black looks super nice once you wear it. And I have a blue as well in this concept. Moving forward, we have this floral design with 3 petal studs. Also gonna be live on the website, but the prices may not be the same. We give a little bit of an advantage to our live watchers since they stay with us every Saturday, on a weekend, giving us time and going through our products. This one is for 2250 right here. It's a super pretty piece, and we have this design. If you see, it has an overlay work on the sides and the front. It's yellow and pink in color, and it is for 3950. It sits very well. It's a very modern design. And I have this piece over here with hues of multicolor, very pretty and very stylish. One of my favorite pieces has got to be this one in invisible setting. If you see the stone over here, it's beautiful. The way it sits in the ear is amazing, and this is my favorite combination in this concept with the green and pink. It sits really, really well. And this one is here as well with purple and purple. It looks like an iconic statement stud which attracts a lot of attention and looks gorgeous. We also have these studs right here, very affordable, very well priced. It is only for 2250 for this live. It looks very nice. It's sparkly, attractive. You can wear it on a shirt, on a kurti, and with Rakhi around the corner. It makes it a fabulous gift. This is also a pretty color in the same variation. And this piece is a doublet stone in the center with a diamond hue and invisible setting border. This is also a stunning piece. Looks very nice when you wear it. You see the make of it. The finish at the back is also as attractive as the one in the front. It is a very pretty piece, and we have this in 3 colors right here. I have a green and a ruby pink, and a ruby pink and a green. It's an alternating color. This one is only for 2950. It's a very attractive piece, very western in the way it looks and feels. Moving forward, I have these danglers over here in invisible setting. The danglers are pretty. If you see the make of it, it's very rich. It's got pear-shaped diamonds with round-shaped diamonds in a very different alignment. The design is pretty, and at the back also there is pressure setting work. So it is an attractive piece to have, and for the price, it's a steal. You know, studs you're getting in 3950, but this dangler for 3950 is definitely a steal. We have it in ruby pink, in blue, or purple, and our favorite, we have a black as well. I'm gonna show you that quickly. The black is also very nice. Going forward, I have this dangler with a solitaire at the bottom. This is only for 3250. This is also pretty. It's a stud at the top and a solitaire drop at the bottom for someone who likes dangler earrings and don't prefer it very long. Hello Rashmi. Hello everyone. Thanks for joining in today. So like I was mentioning, we are doing mystery setting pieces. Now these are balis with a leaf. We have them in all these colors. It's a very attractive piece, and for someone who doesn't like very big earrings, it is a very nice piece to have. There's a purple, there is a black, there's a ruby pink, and there are these shaded gradient hue colors as well. It looks very nice, and there's a yellow pink. It's a very attractive piece, and these are also upward 3-line balis. Very nice to wear daily, very attractive. It's a very subtle piece, and all of them look really nice when worn. These are for 2650, only for this live. Now these are balis as well. It opens like this. You can wear it every day and add a pop of color. It's an invisible setting with a border of diamonds. I have a purple in this as well and a blue in this as well. It's a very good size. Really light in weight, and only for 2350, only for this live. Going forward, if you've liked any of these earrings, we have rings which can match it. These are the options of the rings. If you like small pieces, this is a great one. I'm going to slightly focus on it. If you see, the flower in the middle is actually made up of 4 heart solitaires, and then there's an invisible setting band around it. Sorry, it went out of focus. And my favorite ring is this one. It's a very attractive 3D floral invisible setting ring, and we have all the colors available in this as well. Can you tell me the price of this, please? It's a very attractive piece, adjustable in size, perfect for a Rakhi gift coming along. It looks super nice and very wearable. Going forward, I have these band rings for someone who doesn't like something too pompous yet wants something designer. We have these band rings. I have these multiple colors that it comes in. The green, the blue. The make is fantastic. If you see, it's adjustable. There's a ruby pink like I mentioned, and there is a purple as well. Okay, now matching pendants to this, we have these options over here. It's very pretty. You can wear this daily. They look very nice once worn as well. They have intense detailing as well. If you see the colored hues, the baguettes in the center, and the diamonds even on the clasp of the pendant, it is great. And this butterfly pendant is also gorgeous to wear. Looks very attractive. Also in the range of 2000s. You can get in touch with our team for more pictures and images and prices, and we'll be happy to help you. Now this one is a winner product for the day. I'm gonna go ahead with the Tutti Frutti collection, but I just wanted to show you this product. See, it looks very average when it's on the board like this, but you have to see me wearing it on any shirt or on any dress. It's a very pretty piece to wear. It looks super attractive. It's only for 3450, and it's this dangling multi-gemstone necklace. It's a gorgeous piece. I wear it daily to work, and I think it goes with everything so effortlessly. Now moving on to the Tutti Frutti collection, it's something that I'm very excited to introduce. It's a very old concept where only gemstones are primarily used and put together in a very different designed alignment, and it looks very attractive. Now these are studs in that concept. It's only for 2350. You can wear this daily. These are very western, very real looking. You would have seen a lot of real jewelers making jewelry like this. No one can say something like this can be artificial. Look at the tiny diamond rim around it, and it looks very attractive and very real. This is only for 2250. The whole emerald piece, the color, the finish is all next to real. This is all Tutti Frutti collection. You can Google Tutti Frutti jewelry. You'll understand what sort of jewelry this is. If you see the emerald engraved, the kharbuja bead at the bottom, the engraved emeralds, the diamonds in the center, the rubies, the tanzanite, all of this is next to real, and it looks very real. The finish is fantastic. This one here is only for 3850. It's a next to real looking piece, something very different and attractive. And in this concept, we have a few more pieces in the Tutti Frutti concept. This is a multicolor piece. It's a dangler style. I still feel the video is not doing justice to how attractive or real looking this piece is. This one here is only for 3950, and look at the make of it. Look at the stem here, look at the diamond detailing there. Please check out Tutti Frutti Jewelry to see what it is, and you will realize how identical this piece is to a lot of real jewelers out there. This is a 2950 piece. It is a stud sort of a dangle, very different for someone who doesn't like very big jewelry. This is a super pretty piece as well, and I would love you to explore this collection. It is a very stunning collection and definitely a must have. Our last piece from this collection is this right here. This one's again for 3850. Focuses more on the blue hues and it looks very pretty once you wear it. So this was for our live today. I just have these rings that I want to show you quickly. It's a multi-band ring. A multi-band ring previously called Sasa is very popular. This is a multi-band overlay ring with colored concepts. We have blue, green and diamonds overlaying each other. It looks very attractive when you wear it. And I have this in a, like, see how it looks. It's a very pretty piece. It's not my size though, but we have all the sizes available. You can get in touch with our team and they can help you out better. There's a ruby pink and a blue as well in this. This ring is only for 2950 and it's a super attractive ring. Shines so much so that it can't focus also, and it looks very pretty. Thank you so much for joining us for our 17th episode, guys. It was great to have you this Saturday, and I'm looking forward to meet you next Saturday with a lot more new products and new things. And keep in touch. Our team will be happy to help you. Bye. See you.